Hi, I'm Steve Hale, and if you're curious about microsuction, this video is for you. Come down, this is our brand new practice in Shenstone, Lichfield. If I take you through now to the safety deposit room, so if you didn't know, this building used to be a bank, so we're embracing the bank part of things. We've actually got our safety deposit boxes where we store all of our equipment, but in here we're going to be talking to you about microsuction earwax removal. This is Caris, and hello. Caris has been she's fairly new to earwax removal, she's fairly new to the practice, but she's been on her earwax removal training, and I'm so confident in her at this very early stage that we're going to actually let her take wax out of my ears. Okay,
let's do this.
So
yeah, brilliant.
Okay? So I'm not completely blocked up, but I've been feeling a little bit of crackling in my ear. I know something's there. So let's have a look, see if there is anything there, and see if there's anything we need to remove. Let's do this.
So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to have you sat on the consultation seat and we're going to have a look inside your ears. We're going to be doing this with the video otoscope, and what we do is we look on the outside of your ear first and then we look inside to see what's going on. We'll have a little look inside your ear whilst I look at the camera. And this is what we're seeing at the moment with Steve's ear. There's just a tiny bit of wax there, but if you're a hearing aid wearer, it's best to get this sorted out so we don't push it down any further.
So although I haven't got a huge amount of wax in there, it's crackling, it's irritating me, and seeing as this is my practice, I'm going to get it out today. When you come in, you'll actually be given a key at reception, okay, that opens your bespoke safety deposit box. In the safety deposit box, as you open it, is the utensils needed for your procedure. Everything we use here is single use only, so all the utensils needed are here, and there's a little bit of treasure left behind as well. So Caris will talk you through as she's doing it anyway, but what we're going to do, we've got an ENT grade microscope here that Caris is using to actually look down my ear canal. This gives us 25 times zoom into the ear, so she really can see exactly what she's doing.
This here is our microsuction tube. This is what I'm going to be using to go into Stephen's ear and take out that wax. It's basically a little vacuum cleaner for your ear, and it does the job amazingly and safely.
Before starting the wax removal, I use a speculum to gently open up the ear canal. This helps me get a clear view of the wax. Then I position the microscope to ensure the wax is in focus. I'll ask you to rest your head back on the headrest and often to tilt it slightly away from me. This is because the ear canal naturally slopes upwards. Once everything is set up, I carefully begin using microsuction to remove the wax. I make sure to stay as far away from the sides of the ear canal as possible to keep the procedure pain-free and comfortable. Since Steve has very little wax, this process doesn't take long at all, but I hope this gives you a clear idea of how I perform the procedure.
Okay, so that's your before picture. That's my before picture here. So this is all kind of wax, dead skin that's kind of accumulated on the side. Part way through, Caris managed to get most of that, but there was still a little bit on the side, which was just I could just feel it in my ear. And then at the end, Caris has got the lot out, and there's a nice healthy eardrum down at the bottom there, okay? This part here, this is the handle of malleus, which is one of the ossicles that's attached onto the back of the eardrum. Okay, so that's a lovely, nice, healthy ear canal, and Caris did a great job.